eligible to drive one of these custom Road Warriors in Season 2, first you need to pick your car and your team, and next you need to answer a simple question, leave your name and the answer for that particular car, and you go into the draw to win a drive in Road Warriors Season 2. If you would like to drive for Mark D of CRC from Australia, you need to answer this simple question. What is the name of the racetrack held in Bathurst, New South Wales, Australia? If you would like to drive for Super Zero Racing from the USA, answer this simple question. Who won Road Warriors Season 1? If you would like to drive for 100 Proof Racing from the USA, you need to answer this simple question. The name of the car is Royale with Cheese. From which movie did he get that name from? When you have chosen your team and the car you want to drive, leave your name in the comments below along with the answer. You'll all go into a draw Sunday afternoon Aussie time. Good luck everyone.